Good afternoon, it's Amanda here from Rugby in the UK. Today I'm just going to have a little play with some of these leftover colours when I've poured and I've got a little bit of paint left. I just put them in these little pots with lids and then hopefully I can reuse them. And I've also never done it on a board before, so this is 2mm, they call it grey board. I got it from Amazon. This is an A4 size, which is about 30 centimetres by 15, something like that. Let me tape measure. Oh, here we go. I don't know what A4 is. Yeah, about 30 by 20. There you go. 30 centimetres by 20 centimetres, and it's just a 2mm card. And I just wanted to play with some of these colours as well. I've just got a new lemon or yellow, Naples yellow, and I've made a bit of navy blue with a bit of green in it, and this is a homemade sort of bluey turquoise. And then as I've got all these blue turquoise leftover paints, that's what I thought. And what I'm going to do is just, I don't know, try and fill this cup up, most probably 3/4 of this size canvas, and then I'm just going to do one big pour and see what it looks like. So this is I'll tell you what I haven't done, put any silicone in these. I won't put any silicone in these because I think they most probably have already got silicone in. There's about 40 grams of paint in these, a bit less than that one, so I'm going to just put 2 in the, it's a pearly white, which I've never used before either. So I put 2 drops now. I've only put 1 in the yellow because it's not as much. And then I'll put 3 in that one. My pouring medium is my normal 50% PVA glue. Just give these a stir with 10% Floetrol, 10% Liquid-X pouring medium, and 30% water. These are fairly thick. I don't see if you can let me get that in frame. It'll be easy. It's you can still see the trace of the paint on top when you pour it up. It's a lovely colour. I love this colour. I don't like yellow normally, but I do like in paint when it just pops into paint. It looks a few bubbles there, but we'll soon get rid of those. And then this lovely turquoisey blue. See, that's quite thick actually. I might put a bit more water in there. She says. There you go. Sorry about that. Just talking to myself. There you go. That's a little bit better. Still quite thick, but. More, otherwise it would be different consistency to the others. I know why this is thicker, because it's made up of my Jackson Arts. That's why it keeps really thick, and it's that paint that's where it needs a bit more water. Okay, right, so I'm going to layer up and then just throw all these in haphazardly. So I'm going to do a few layers just to see how it goes. A few different layers. Not worried how I'm putting them in, just a little bit of each. As I say, it's an experimental round, this one, so we'll see how it all turns out. Pearly. Right, let's just stick all this in, whatever this is. It looks a bit like indigo to me, because I knew I had a bit of indigo at some point somewhere along the line. There we go. The sun's just come out here in the UK, well, in Rugby I should say. I know they've got up north some horrible floods. It's been raining on and off for about a couple of weeks now. It's been pretty horrific. Right, let's just put a bit of dark on top of that. Well, horrific for June anyway, and horrific for those people who've been flooded out. Right, that's that one done. Let's just put another bit of yellow in. And then I want to put this, yeah, let's stick this bluey. I thought it was a bit more violet than it was, but I'm just going to stick that next to that yellow. I'm sure I'm going to get a bit of green along there somewhere along the line, but that's the whole point of these lovely paws. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick that baby bit of pink. This most probably won't show up anywhere, but you never know. Get next to that really dark navy. That might get a bit of a purple coming along somewhere. This might be a complete mess, but you've got to give it a go, haven't you? Save wasting all those little paints. And then I'm going to put a little bit of that navy. It looks black, but it is navy. Promise. Put there. I'll put a bit there. And then I'm going to put a bit of this turquoise. And then a bit more of this. I've got a couple of bits of black there, but I don't think I'm going to put it in. And then I'm going to put the rest of this in. I think this has got some metallic indigo something or other in it. Just use that, scrape that out. Turquoisey indigo, or greeny indigo I should say, rather than turquoise indigo. And I think that might be enough paint. Maybe do a wiggle, couple, wiggle more. And that one yellow. Now I'm going to finish with a bit of navy. And then we will see what comes out. Right. So I'm just going to flip it and then just not drag it as such, but just see what happens. I'll tell you what I didn't do. I didn't put any silicone in the top, but never mind. We'll just see what happens with this. I'm just going to open and pour it down once it's all come down to the bottom. Interesting to see what colours all that starts, how that colours come out like. And also, I don't know how this is going to dry, this board. Yes, so an experiment all round today. Wish I could find some gloves that fit. All these wobbly bits at the top. Right, shouldn't complain. Right, here we go. I'm just going to, oh my god. I know there's loads of paint. We'll just see. Right, just do a little like that. Okay. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to try and just to pull this off without losing all this so far on the side. I love that. Oh, you can see a bit of purple coming through there. A bit of lemon. I'm just letting it slowly come this way because I don't necessarily want to lose all these sides, but we'll see. what happens. Very gently. Just give it a little hand without losing all that there. Okay, let's just leave that there for a second. Oh, see, I know I found that pink somewhere. Now I'm going to tip it off, never mind. Right, I'm just going to give it a quick torch. See what we can pop up. Oh, here we go. Come on, bubbles. Come on, cells. Wow. Oh, these little darlings. I knew I'd like that lemon. I always get one big one. Why do I always get one really big one that looks out of place? Right, let's see if we can tip this off without losing all of it. That's all going to have to go, isn't it? Okay, let's go that way first. I'll just do that there. Oh, sugar. Do that corner and stretch these cells out a little bit. I don't want to lose that little. Okay, that comes back. Okay, and now I'll just tip it that way so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to try and get it to this corner here. I don't want to lose those little cells there, so I've got to be a bit gentle here and try and just, I don't mind if I lose that because it looks pretty boring at the moment, so let's tip that way without losing all that there, and then tip down towards that corner. That side. Okay, come on, down you go. I want to keep all those little purple cells. Don't go, don't go. To the top, watch the top. Don't get back over that little purple cell. Come on. I don't want to lose that one. It's the same when you... Let's tip that back to keep that one. See, I knew I'd get some purple somewhere, just where I don't want to lose it off the edge. Okay. Let's just leave it a little bit. Sit. And I didn't want to lose this purple off the edge here, but that's going to have to go, isn't it? I knew I'd have to. Lose that purple bit there, but never mind. Okay, let's just see if we can get it down to this corner here. Without breaking up too much of these cells. I do like the pearlescent white, I'm liking that a lot. So I'm just going to try and just take the weight of the paint down, and then I'm going to flip it over there. And it's opening, it's stretching those a little bit, but there's nothing I can do. Maybe I did need a bit more paint. Story of my life. I don't want to overstretch those. Down here. And I've got more stock paint in my cup that I can put here. It'll look a bit odd though, isn't it? Yeah. It might help just to take it over the edge a little bit. done, hasn't it? Got to be done. Oh, look at those lovely little purple bits. Let's see if this works. Oh, shut up. Oh, just sometimes, Amanda, you're not looking what you're doing. Right, come on, it's only a test piece, don't worry about it. Right, let's get this over this edge without losing all this here, shall we? Let's just tip it down and then tip it over to that edge there, gently, gently. Okay, tip it back. Okay, and then let me just try and flick around that way. And let's see if we can tip it down and then down towards that corner. And get it off there, shall we? Go, 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 go. Okay. Pull that back down, stretch these sails up over here. And then put these back where they were. Okay, let me just leave that there for a second so I can see how that looks. I love that little bit there with the purple. And that little pink and purple bits coming through there. I really like it actually. Oh, look at that little sail there. A little yellow and a yellow and a yellow. Oh, I should have done this on a canvas now, but anyway, that's the whole point, experimenting, see what it looks like. But I'm happy with that, and I've got some more paint left here, so I can do another one of something. We'll see how this dries. I'll just leave it at that actually, I think. I like that gold, well not gold, excuse me, that Naples yellow just popping through all those cells there. I really do like that. I'll just bring it up so you can see a little bit more. There we go. And then the purpley pink just there, loving that. Purpley pink, purple it is, and then that little cluster there. Really like that. And I'm glad I've been able to open the cells still moving a little bit. Yes, very nice. I quite like that, and I think I might do something with this paint that's on here. So I'm just going to put this to dry, and then that's another video going up at some point, and then we will see how this card dries. It'll be interesting. Okay, that's me, Amanda, over and out. See you soon. Bye bye.